Mark Schrader here at MarineMax Venice. We're doing a quick video walkthrough of a 320 Sundancer that just came in. It's got the forward bow seating, which is awesome. Gives you the combination of both a day boat and a place and a cabin for overnight stays. I'll just give you a quick little look down in the cabin. You can sleep two up front. Got a full head, and you can sleep two in the back. At the helm, we've got some nice stuff here. Twin screens, joystick docking, and you can see Captain Rusty is driving it perfectly right now. Back here in the cockpit, we've got a grill and fridge. There's a nice grill. Great seating all the way around. And this canvas can be taken off, so you can have it open air like a day boat, or you can close up the canvas and air condition this whole cockpit, and it's nice and cool in here. On the back for power, we've got triple 250 Mercury Outboards, which are awesome. They're the new V8s, super light, a lot of torque. They'll push this boat top end about 50 miles an hour. But it cruises along nicely at a low RPM at about 32, 34 miles an hour. It's beautiful. So lots of storage in the back for your fenders and duck lines and that kind of stuff. That's all I'm going to do right now. So thank you for watching. Call us here at MarineMax Venice. I'm Mark Schrader.